ॐ आसत्ये नरजसा वर्तमानो निमेषयन्नमृतं मर्त्यं च गण्ययेन सवितारथेन देवो याते भुवना विपश्यन् अग्निं दूतं वृणीमहे होतारं विश्ववेदसम् अस्या यज्ञस्य सुकृतं येषामीशे पशुपते पशूनां
Just Kabrudraya helped.
य प्रचेतसे मीडुष्टमाय तव्यसे ोचेमशन्तमगं हृदे ओमधिदेवता पृथ्वीदेवता सहिताय आदित्याय नमः ॐ आप्यायस्त समेतुत विष्णतस्त्वमवृष्णियं वाजस्य सङ्गते अप्सु मे सोमो अब्रवीधन्त विश्वानि भेषज अग्निं च विश्वशम्भुवमा पश्चा विश्ववेषजी गौरीमिमाया सलिलानि तक्षत्येकपदीतिपदी सा चतुष्पदी अष्टापदी नवपदी बभूवुषी सहस्राक्षर अनमे व्योमन् ओमधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय सोमाय नमः
ॐ अग्निर्मूर्धादिवक्तकुत्पति पृथिव्या अयम् अपागुं रेतागुं शिजिन्वति स्नोना पृथिवी भवान् वृक्षरा निवेशनी यच्छावनः शर्म सप्रथाः क्षेकस्य पतिना वयगुं हितेनेव जयामसि गामश्वं पोषयित्वा सनो मृडातीदृशे ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय अंगारकाय नमः ॐ उद्बुद्ध्य स्वाग्ने प्रतिजागृह्येन मिष्टापूर्ते स गुंसुजेथामयं च पुनः उन्वग्गुस्त्वा पितरं युवानमन्वातु पुंसीत्वयि तन्तुमेकम् इदं विष्णुर्विचक्रमे त्रेधा निदधे पदम् समूढमस्य पागुं सुरे विष्णोरराटमसि विष्णोः पृष्ठमसि विष्णोष्णप्त्रे स्थो विष्णोस्यूरसि विष्णोर्ध्रुवमसि वैष्णवमसि विष्णवे त्वा ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय बुधाय नमः ॐ बृहस्पते अत्यधर्यो अर्हाद्युमद्विभाति क्रतुमज्जनेषु यद्दीदयच्च वसर्त प्रजात तदस्मासु देहि चित्रम् इन्द्रमरुत्व इह पाहि सोमं यथा शार्याते अपि वस्सु तस्य तव प्रणीति तव शूरशर्मन्नाभिवासन्ति कवयः सुयज्ञाः ब्रह्मजज्ञानं प्रथमं पुरस्ताद्विसीमतः सुरुचो वेन आवह स बुद्ध्या उपमाहस्य इष्टासतश्च योनिमसतश्च विवह ॐ अधिदेवता प्रत्यधिदेवता सहिताय बृहस्पतये नमः.
Yes, now we'll just make Navagraha Prarthana and then go to Shukracharya. Shukragraha. Now please repeat. Once. Surya Pitamaho Vyaso. Surya Pitamaho Vyaso Vasishtho Atri Paracharaha Kasyapो Narado Gargo Marichihi Manurangiraha Lomasascha पौलसश्चैव
पौलसश्चैव पौलसश्चैव
च्यवनो यवनो भृगुः
च मनो यमनो भृगुः
च्यवनो
च मनो
यवनो भृगुः
यवनो भृगुः
शौनको
शौनको
अष्टादशश्चैते
अष्टादशश्चैते
ज्योतिषशास्त्रप्रवर्तकाः
ज्योतिषशास्त्रप्रवर्तकाः
नमो नमो
नमो नमो
अष्टादशज्योतिषशास्त्र
अष्टादश ज्योतिषशास्त्र
प्रवर्तकेभ्यः
प्रवर्तकेभ्यः
आरोग्यं प्रददातु नो
आरोग्यं प्रददातु नो
दिनकरः
दिनकरः
चन्द्रो यशो निर्मलम्
चन्द्रो यशो निर्मलम्
भूतिं भूमिसुतः
भूतिं भूमिसुतः
सुधां सुतनयः
सुधांशुतनयः
प्रज्ञां गुरुं गुरुः गौरवम्
प्रज्ञां गुरुं गौरवम्
कान्यः कोमल
कान्यः कोमल
वाग्विलासमतुलाम्
वाग्विलासमतुलाम्
मन्दोमुदं सर्वदा
वन्दो मुदं सर्वदा
राहुर्बाहुबलम्
राहुर्बाहुबलम्
निरोधशमनम्
विरोधशमनम्
केतुः कुलस्योन्नतिम्
केतुः कुलत्योन्नुतम्
केतुः कुलस्योन्नतिम्
केतुः कुलस्योन्नतिम्.
We have been traveling to know more and more about these 9 planets, and we are embarking upon Makar Sankranti, and whereafter you see that Surya
Sir,
Bhagavan.
can you repeat this sloka? Whatever you have told, we'll write it.
Okay, that's a nice idea. I repeat again, because this is most important. Every time, every day you can recite this sloka. If not, you do the complete Navagraha Parayana or Navagraha Stotra, whatever it is. At least this will be summarizing that. Please repeat. I mean, Arogyam. Please tell orally and then keep writing. All of you, whoever possible. Arogyam pradadatu no.
आरोग्यं प्रदधातु नो
Dinakaraha
दिनकरः
Chandro Yasho Nirmalam
चन्द्रो यशो निर्मलम् चन्द्रो यशो निर्मलम्
Bhutim Bhumisutaha
भूतिं भूमिसुतः भूतिं भूमिसुतः
Sudham Shutanayaha
सुधांशुतनयः सुधांशुतनयः
Pragnam Guruhu Gauravam
ज्ञां गुरुः गौरवम् ज्ञां गुरुः गौरवम्
Kanyaha
यः
Kanyaha
अन्यः
Komala Vagvilasam
कोमलवाग्विलासम्
Atulam
मधुलाम्
Mando Mudam Sarvada
मन्दो मुदं सर्वदा मन्दो मुदं सर्वदा
Rahurbahubalam
बाहुर्बाहुबलम्
Virodhashamanam
विरोधशमनम्
Ketuhu Kulasyonatim
कुलस्योन्नतिम् केतुः कुलस्योन्नतिम्
आदित्यादि नवग्रह प्रसाद सिद्धिरस्तु
आदित्यादिनवग्रह प्रसाद सिद्धिरस्तु आदित्यादिनवग्रह प्रसाद सिद्धिरस्तु
सर्वथा आरोग्यमस्तु
सर्वथा आरोग्यमस्तु सर्वथा आरोग्यमस्तु.
So now we'll go to the Shukra Graha. Shukra is the most important planet. And when Shukra comes home or Shukra Anugraha is there, Shukra Graha Anukulyata is there. If Shukra Graha Subha Parapradatva is there, then we are really becoming richer and happier and healthier and so on. You see, the other day I was just going through, in Ramayanam, Dasaratha, before he ends up his life, with great grief because his son Rama was sent on exile, and 15th year he will be back after completing 14 years, and on 15th year, first day, he will be back to Ayodhya. And he says, you will be able to see Rama coming back. He tells to Kausalya, you keep lively, don't much cry, because it will be due to the curse I have before my marriage, this kind of happening taken place in our family. So even Rama comes and steps once again back in Ayodhya, it is as good as Shukra coming back to his own native place. So to say Rama is as Srungaric, as ornamental, as a benefic planet as much as Sri Ramachandra. That's what Dasaratha meant, or Valmiki Maharshi meant when he talked about Shukra Graha. Because, all grahas are good, but there are some Shukra Graha, if it is very much pleasant in your horoscope, you will have more and more comforts and conveniences and luxuries. But for him, therefore, every planet is important. But Shukra gives you all material, otherwise pleasures. Therefore, you make a prayer in this. And another one important thing that we have got to note, that is from January 14th and onwards, when this Makara Sankramana, Surya Bhagavan, who is called as a Kodanda Ravi, that means staying in the Dharur Rasi with his Kodanda on, which means he will be protecting with his weapon Kodanda. Now he is entering into his own son's place. Makaram is the Shani's place. So when he is entering into Shani's place, there are positive effects we shall imagine. And because the son and father are same in the same place, but that's another advantage which people would have right from Makara Sankranti, etc. Now, let us think of the mantram which we have got to recite. Om Pravashukraya Bhanave Bharadvam. Ramakrishna Garu, Shastri Garu, Chappandi.
Om Pravashukraya Bhanave Bharadvam. Avyam Matim Chaknaye Saputam. Yo Daivyani Manusha Janugamshi Antar Vishwani Vidmanajigati.
Bauli, just you are not carrying this swaram. Kabati, this is something like, no, it is not like that. Please repeat and note that how you should pronounce. Om Pravashukraya Bhanave. Please repeat.
Om Pravashukraya Bhanave
Bharadvam.
Om Pravashukraya Bhanave
Shukraya Bhanave.
Om Pravashukraya Bhanave.
No, don't you use your swaram. Shukraya. Ya ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಭಾನವೇ ಭರದ್ವಂ.
ॐ प्रवशुक्राय बालवे भरद्वम्.
You should practice on the Pravasukra, because the necessary effect must be there when you recite. Pravasukraya bhan. Take time, no hurry. Every word you can take and take time and pronounce, it will be complete. Om Pravasukraya bhanave bharadvam.
ॐ प्रवशुक्राय बालवे भरद्वम्.
You are capable of doing, sir. Don't be running. Havyam matim chagnaye.
हव्यं मतिं चाग्नये.
No. Ha down, ma down, ja. Havyam matim chagnaye suputam.
हव्यं मतिं
No, yeah. You have to start ha only.
हव्यं मतिं चाग्नये सवूतम्.
Suputam. Practice madbeka mere. Yo devyani.
यो दैव्यानि
Manusha janugumshi.
मानुषा
Antarvishwani vidma.
अंतर्विश्वानि विद्मा
Vidmana jigati.
विद्मना जिगाति
Shukram te anyato.
शुक्रं ते अन्यतो
Yajatam te anyato.
यशतं ते अन्यतो
Yajatam te anyato.
यततं ते अन्यतो
Vishurupe ahani jaurivasi.
विशुरूपे अहनि द्यौरिवासी
Vishwahi maya avasi.
विश्वाहि माया अवसि
Vishwahi maya swadhavo bhadra.
विश्वाहि माया अवसि सद्भावो भद्रा
Te pushan.
भद्रा ते
Vishwa bhadra te pushan.
भद्रा ते पूषन्
Iharatirastu.
यहरातिरस्तु
See, Vedic language is highly polite, lot of culture, and it is always imperative language. Therefore, because gods are very powerful and they are very much benefic, and they are ready to offer you the fulfillment of your desires. And therefore, whenever we want some benefit to be accrued from someone else, we will be always very much docile, polite, and requesting, imperative. So in the same tone, you see, then the Rishi is telling, Bhanave Shukraya Prabharadhvam. For Shukra Graha, who is called Bhanu. Bhanave means he is the light provider, prosperity provider, and a guide. So he is that for that Shukra, for that Shukra is an energy. Shukraya means is an energy. Bhanave, Shukraya, Bhanave, Prabharadhvam. Please carry on, convey that. And what is that? You have to take matim, havyam, suputam, agnaye. The two things you should give. Mati is the Yajurveda formula. And havyam is offering. Suputam, well sanctified. So Gayatri Prodhana, when once you do Gayatri Prodhana right, it becomes a putam, it becomes purified. So Agnaye, so Shukra is Agni. That is, all the other gods, Vedic gods are also implied in this. Why? Because their function is Yo Daivyani Manusha Janugumshi Antar Vishwani Vidmana Jigati. So he has the knowledge of all people, divine, human, general people, and other secrets, whatever of the people, all that he is aware of that. And again there is a prayer, Vishwahi Maya Avasi Swadhavo. O Surya, O Agni, O Surya Bhagavan, O Shukra Devata, you are trying to protect all kinds of difficulties. Maya, that you do not know much. Avasi, and for that sake, for that kind of benefit work you are doing, Swadhavaha. Swadhavaha means namaskara. So for me, I am giving this Swadha, and Te Pushan Bhadra Iha Ratihi Astu. O Pusha Devata, please endow auspicious wealth, prosperity, health upon the world and all people. This is the prayer for Sukragraha. And you observe here, Vishwahi Maya Avasi, because of this Maya championship with Sukragraha, he is the guru of all Daityas. So Shukram Daitya Gurum Vande, because the Daityas are said to be the Yatudhanas. They are all black magicians, and it is very difficult to fight with Rakshasas. As you see here, Rakshasaha Kutayodhinaha. Rakshasas suddenly, as they are fighting, disappear like Indrajit. When he was fighting with Lakshmana, he disappeared. Therefore, all that problem is there. And so we make the prayer, we make a prayer to, let me say that Agni, Pushan, Bhanu, all these things, all these are Vedic deities, and they are self-illumined deities, Surya Bhagavan. So these are all the different names. What is Shukra? Actually, the word Shukra means heat energy. High energy is called Shukra. We must want Shukra, and then only we will be working. Without energy, we can't work. Therefore, we make a prayer for the Sukragraha, and in this manner. Now, you please recite the Mula Mantra. Om Hrim Swaha, Om Hrim Swaha.
Om Shrim Swaha.
Om Namah Swaha.
Om Namah Swaha. Om Namah Swaha.
Shum Vastram Dehi. Sukraya Swaha.
Shukraya Swaha.
Om Tham Vam Ram Ham. Bhargavaya Vidmahe. Divadarshanaaya Dhimahi. Anna Shukraha Prachodayatu. Okay, Om Hrim Swaha. ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಬಾಯಿಂದ.
ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಓಂ ಹ್ರೀಂ ಸ್ವಾಹ.
Am Namah Swaha.
ಅಂ ನಮಃ ಸ್ವಾಹ.
Shum Vastram Dehi.
ಶುಂ ವಸ್ತ್ರಂ ದೇಹಿ.
Shukraya Swaha.
ಶುಕ್ರಾಯ ಸ್ವಾಹ.
Om Tham Vam.
ॐ ठं वं
रं हं
रं हं
भार्गवाय विद्महे
भार्गवाय विद्महे
दिवादर्शनाय धीमहि
दिवादर्शनाय धीमहि
दिवादर्शनाय धीमहि
दिवादर्शनाय धीमहि
तन्नः शुक्रः प्रचोदयात्
तन्नः शुक्रः प्रचोदयात्
तन्नः शुक्रः प्रचोदयात्
तन्नः शुक्रः प्रचोदयात्
Shukracharya is Bhargava, Bhrigu Maharshiya Santana. And he is Divadarshana. He is like Surya Bhagavan who appears during the daytime. And only during daytime you have got more heat. During night time there is more cold. So like that with cold and heat and cold, the day completes. Like that we have been completing number of days. From Sankranti onwards, Surya Bhagavan becomes hotter. So he becomes a Shukra. And Surya entering into the Shani's house, he will stay some more time in Makara Sankranti, Makara for a long time. So Chandra is the only one planet who will be in each house for 2.5 days. Whereas the other planets will be always taking more time. And more time, best time is taken by Manda or Shani. But Shani is a Shanti Karaka also. If Shani is favorable to you, nothing like that. It is very much good. Now, Manju Nadigavare, please repeat, I am telling.
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Om Shamagniraknibhihi.
ಓಂ ಶಮಗ್ನಿರಗ್ನಿಭಿಃ ಓಂ ಶಮಗ್ನಿರಗ್ನಿಭಿಃ
Karaschannastapata.
ಸ್ಕರಚ್ಛನ್ನಸ್ತಪತ ಸ್ಕರಚ್ಛನ್ನಸ್ತಪತ
Channastapatu Suryaha.
ಛನ್ನಸ್ತಪತು ಸೂರ್ಯಃ ಛನ್ನಸ್ತಪತು ಸೂರ್ಯಃ
Shambhato Vatvarapa.
ಶಂವಾತೋ ವಾ ತ್ವರಪ ಶಂವಾತೋ ವಾ ತ್ವರಪ
Sritaha. Apaskritaha.
ಅಪಸ್ರಿದಃ ಅಪಸ್ರಿದಃ
Prajapatena tvadetanyanyo.
ಪ್ರಜಾಪತೇನ ತ್ವದೇತಾನ್ಯನ್ಯೋ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತೇನ ತ್ವದೇತಾನ್ಯನ್ಯೋ.
So when you go to Veda complex, imagine in the Veda complex you get science, history, mythology, inferences, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Only thing is you should develop eye for them. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ? Which means that you have eyed that article which you like the most. So it's what is called eye. That eye is called spy. ಅದನ್ನು espy ಅಂತಾರೆ. So espying ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? To enable your eyes to be able to catch up what your desire is. Because ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, but all no matter to you. But what matters is what you want. If it is present, you continue to stay in the shop. Otherwise, you will pass.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
So that is the formula of research.
ವಿಶ್ವ
Prajapatena tvadetanyanyo.
ಪ್ರಜಾಪತೇನ ತ್ವದೇತಾನ್ಯನ್ಯೋ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತೇನ ತ್ವದೇತಾನ್ಯನ್ಯೋ
Natvadetanyanyo vishwajatani.
ವಿಶ್ವಜಾತಾನಿ ತ್ವದೇತಾನ್ಯನ್ಯೋ ವಿಶ್ವಜಾತಾನಿ
Parita babhuva.
ಪರಿತಾ ಬಭೂವ ಪರಿತಾ ಬಭೂವ.
ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ವಾ, ಟು ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ವರ ಎತ್ತರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಅಪ್. ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿತಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬಭೂವ ಅಂತ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ?
ಪರಿತಾ ಬಭೂವ.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಬಕಾರ ಆಸ್ಪಿರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಏನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಕ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ತರ ಇದು ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವರ. ಪರಿತಾ ಬಭೂವ
ಪರಿತಾ ಬಭೂವ
ಯತ್ಕಾಮ
ಬಭೂವ
ಯತ್ಕಾಮಾಸ್ತೆ ಜುಹುಮಃ
ಯತ್ಕಾಮಾಸ್ತೆ ಜುಹುಮಸ್ತನ್ನೋ.
ಯತ್ಕಾಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲೇ.
ಯತ್ಕಾಮಾಸ್ತೆ ಯತ್ಕಾಮಾಸ್ತೆ
ಜುಹುಮಸ್ತನ್ನೋ ಅಸ್ತು
ಜುಹುಮಸ್ತನ್ನೋ ಅಸ್ತು ಜುಹುಮಸ್ತನ್ನೋ ಅಸ್ತು.
ವಯಗ್ಗುಸ್ಯಾಮ
ವಯಗ್ಗಸ್ಯಾಮ ವಯಗ್ಗಸ್ಯಾಮ.
ನೋಡಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳು ನಿಮ್ ಗುರುಗಳು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜೀವಿತ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಯು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಮಂತ್ರಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಇವಾಗ MA ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ, he can handle any book, new book given to him and make some notes out of it. Because even in the education ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು ಓದೋಕೆ ಆಗೋದಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. therefore ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿ, ವಯಗ್ಗುಸ್ಯಾಮ ಪತಯೋರಯೀಣಾಂ
ವಯಗ್ಗಸ್ಯಾಮ ಪತಯೋರಯೀಣಾಂ ವಯಗ್ಗಸ್ಯಾಮ ಪತಯೋರಯೀಣಾಂ
ರಯೀಣಾಂ
ರಯೀಣಾಂ ರಯೀಣಾಂ.
ಮೊದಲನೇದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಮಂ ಯಮ ಪ್ರಸ್ತರಮಾಹಿ
ಇಮಂ ಯಮ ಪ್ರಸ್ತರಮಾಹಿ ಇಮಂ ಯಮ ಪ್ರಸ್ತರಮಾಹಿ
ಸೀದಾಂಗಿರೋಭಿಃ
ಸೀದಾಂಗಿರೋಭಿಃ ಸೀದಾಂಗಿರೋಭಿಃ
ಪಿತೃಭಿಃ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಃ
ಪಿತೃಭಿಃ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಃ ಪಿತೃಭಿಃ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಃ
ಸಂವಿಧಾನಃ
ಸಂವಿಧಾನಃ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಃ.
ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಂವಿಧಾನಃ
ಸಂವಿಧಾನಃ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಃ.
So you are yourself knowing how it should be. Atva mantra
ಆತ್ವಾ ಮಂತ್ರಾಃ ಆತ್ವಾ ಮಂತ್ರಾಃ
ಕವಿಶಸ್ತ್ವಾ ವಹಂತು
ಕವಿಶಸ್ತಾ ವಹಂತು ಕವಿಶಸ್ತಾ ವಹಂತು
ವಹಂತ್ವೇನ ರಾಜನ್
ವಹಂತ್ವೇನ ರಾಜನ್ ವಹಂತ್ವೇನ ರಾಜನ್.
ಅವಿಷಾಮಾದಯಸ್ವ
ಹವಿಷಾಮಾದಯಸ್ವ ಹವಿಷಾಮಾದಯಸ್ವ.
ಓಂ ಅಧಿದೇವತಾ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಧಿದೇವತಾ ಸಹಿತಾಯ
ಓಂ ಅಧಿದೇವತಾ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಧಿದೇವತಾ ಸಹಿತಾಯ ಶನೈಶ್ಚರಾಯ ನಮಃ.
That is
ಓಂ
nice.
ಅಧಿದೇವತಾ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಧಿದೇವತಾ ಸಹಿತಾಯ ಶನೈಶ್ಚರಾಯ ನಮಃ.
When you are reciting, it's a dialogue. You are talking to the God. The moment you say Sham Agni Rajnebhis Saraschannastapatu Surya is a statement. But when you come to the last one, for example, Prajapatena Tvadetanyo Visvajatani Parita Babhuva यत्कामास्ते जुहुमः तन्नो अस्त्वयग्गुं स्यामः पतयोरयीनाम्. When you say this, you are directly putting forth your want before the feet of that graha or God, so that he will attend to you and he will understand what he should do to you. I have been telling you the gods do not know anything that we want. We have to submit. We have to mention. Then you are Prajapate. The moment you say Prajapate, the Prajapati Sattva means able to give you any and everything, able to create any and every being in the world. So that kind of general abilities are there in Prajapati. Therefore, you make a submission to Prajapati, Etani Jatani Paritababhuva. So you Jatani Bhutani, whatever beings are there, you try to take care of them very much. That is your general trait, characteristic in you. And what is our purpose of calling you or addressing you? For what purpose we are feeding you, that purpose must be fulfilled. And what is that purpose is? Rayinam Patayo Yama. We want to become the overlords of the Rayi. Rayi means Sampada. Rayi means Lakshmi. Rayi means Arogya. Everything. Saubhagya, Bhagya, Arogya, Samruddhi, Samruddhi, Allah, all that comes under the word Rayi. So, Undu Rayi Allah, Lakshmi and Undalla. There are multiplicity of Sampadas in your house. Multiplicity of Sampada on your car, your door, your vehicles, your kitchen, the kitchenware, etc. Everything is Rayi. Therefore, you want to be able to operate and get benefit of all that Rayi or wealth that is available in your house. At the same time, you can add things, add wealth to your house. See that your house will become a fully furnished apartment. And again, Yamam Yama Prastaramahi Sidangirohi Pitrabhis Sambhidana is a prayer that Yama Prastaramahi. So please support him to go to the Yamaloka. Let us not be afraid that Yamaloka is very dangerous. Yamaloka is very beautiful. Only a layout of Yamaloka is terrible. Bangalore is very beautiful. Only when you go to commercial street or Avenue Road, then you have got to pierce through people. Alva. If you are walking in the Mahatma Gandhi Road, no problem. But if you go to Brigade Road or Avenue Road, you have to pierce through people. Or Majestic or measured by person. Why I am telling is because town is very much crowded and some places are there which are not crowded and very free. And only an area is marked out for punishments. Something like the jail that is marked out. So Hage, Akandre, Pitrudevatangaru, Yamalokadalli ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಆದರೆ ಅವರ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವರಿಗೆ 20-40 30 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಯಮದೇವರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಪುಣ್ಯದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ we will be having allotments there. Then once the third generation living disappears, then you will get the liberation. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 11 ದಿವಸ ಸಪಿಂಡೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಸಪಿಂಡೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಟಾಪಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ ಮೇಲೆ that third ಪಿತೃ will not appear at all in our worship. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶನಿ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪಿತೃಭಿ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ದೆನ್ ತ್ವಾ ಮಂತ್ರಾಃ ಕವಿಶಃ ತ್ವಾ ಆವಹಂತು. So whatever mantras or whatever prayers we are addressing you, may they all be pleasing to you. And what kind of mantras? They are full of knowledge, full of petition, full of wisdom. Kavishaha, avahantu. So, hey Rajan, oh Rajan, Shani is the only one Raja. Among all planets, Shani Maharaja antivi. In Yargu, a Maharaja Shabda attribution illa. Therefore, Shani Maharaja is Rajan, Adhika Madayasva. So, you try to rejoice with whatever offering we are giving. And ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಶನಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಶಂ ಅಗ್ನಿಹಿ ಅಗ್ನಿವಿಹಿ ಅಗ್ನಿಹಿ. ಸೊ ಇವರು ಅಗ್ನಿಗಳಿಂದ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಗ್ನಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಅಗ್ನಿ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಯು if you add more Agni. For example, Tuppa is Agni. When you add more and more Tuppa to Agni, he likes it. So he becomes better Tuppa, better Agni or Mahan Agni. And Suryaha Channaha Tapatu. The Surya Bhagavan Channaha Novaga Anugrahinda Nimannella Rakshane Madbeku. He cannot show his power. Surya Bhagavan is high degree temperature. Adre, he has got moisture in his rays, and because of the presence of moisture, Manjore, we are able to survive in the sunshine. Even in the deserts, we are able to make convenience and survive. Yakendre, the sun's heat is very good and has got moisture, and therefore we say Jata Niparita Babhu. So Shambhata. Only because the Vataha must be Syam. And Twarapa Apasritaha is Apaha Apasritaha Twara. So the daughters also should be Poityam. Your Syam Idila. Syam andre Shanti. Syam andre Sukha. Syam andre happy. Idella yaar kodtare namge andre Shani Maharaja kodtare. Because Maharaja korde iruva the Maharaja capacity is simply great. You cannot gauge the capacity of the Maharajas, Salva. They can grant you anything. If only thing is the king's mind, you will get everything. Now you write down the Bija Mantra. Om Krim Swaha.
Om Hrim Swaha.
ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಬರ್ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಓಂ ಹ್ರೀಂ ಸ್ವಾಹ ಅಂ ನಮಃ ಸ್ವಾಹ.
ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯೇನಮ್ಮ? ಅಂ ನಮಃ ಸ್ವಾಹ. ಶಂ ಶನೈಶ್ಚರಾಯ ನಮಃ.
ಶಂ ಶನೈಶ್ಚರಾಯ ನಮಃ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಜವಾದ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಫಲ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಇರುವ ವಸ್ತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರನೇ ಅದು. ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಶಂ ಶನೈಶ್ಚರಾಯ ನಮಃ.
ಶಂ ಶನೈಶ್ಚರಾಯ ನಮಃ.
ಓಂ ಶಂ ಶ್ರೀಂ ಹ್ರೀಂ.
ಶಂ ಶ್ರೀಂ ಹ್ರೀಂ. ಓಂ ಶಂ ಶ್ರೀಂ ಹ್ರೀಂ.
ಐಂ ಛಾಯಾತ್ಮನಾಯ ವಿದ್ಮಹೇ.
ಐಂ
ನೀಲವರ್ಣಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ ತನ್ನಃ ಸೌರಿಃ ಪ್ರಚೋದಯಾತು. So the same Maharaja is known for this. I know Shani as the son of Chayadevi. Atmanate, it is the son. Om Sham Shrim Hlim Aim Chayatmanaya Vidmahe. I know you as the son of Chaya. The mother's name is taken. And his skin color or complexion ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀಲವರ್ಣ. is a Neelavarna, blue color, black. That's why all Shani Bhaktas will be having the black dress, black robes. Ayyappa is also the patron for the Shani Graha. Therefore, Ayyappa Diksha tagondre, they will all wear the black generally.
ನೀಲವರ್ಣಾಯ ಧೀಮಹಿ ತನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಚೋದಯಾತ್.
Saurihi Prachodayat. ತಂದೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೂಡ ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಸೂರ್ಯಸ್ಯ ಪುತ್ರ ಸೌರಿ. ಸೊ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ಶನಿ ಮಹಾರಾಜ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೌರಿ ಪ್ರಚೋದಯಾತ್. We want that Sauri to grace us. So what you understand here, that Shani Graha is a Shanti Prabha. Shani is very much important and highly powerful. That if Shani is good in our horoscope, he will be having a number of advantages. But how much good is Shani done, so much detrimental also the fellow. You have great examples in our history. Therefore, we have to make prayer to the Shani Graha that he should be always compassionate, kind, affectionate, and supportive, and authority providing. ಈ ಶನಿ ಗ್ರಹ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಂಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀಲ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರುಪೀಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪವರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೈನ್ ದಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರುಪೀಸ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಶನಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಗುಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, good authority, good strength, and of all that, he will give you peace. And he is the son of Surya Bhagavan, he is the son of Chaya Devi, and with both parents will make good combination. So this is what we have come to Shani, and now we have remaining Rahu and Ketu, which we will cover in next class. So like that. Om Swasti Sahana Bhavatu.